Welcome to Startup Space. This short video tutorial will show a user how to add an event to your personal calendar. First, under My Community, go into Events. From there, find the specific event that you are interested in and select View Event. On the individual event page, underneath the date and time details, you will see an Add to Calendar option. If you click on this will bring up the option to link to a variety of different calendars, or to download the Universal Calendar file. Select whichever option you use as your personal calendar, and it will open in a new window. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at helpdesk@startupspace.app.